First time ever fishing on a kayak, so excuse any rookie mistakes. I've kayaked before, never fished from a kayak, so. Let me face this way. Let me try to face this way. I hope I don't hook into like a 7-pounder and flip this whole thing. We were here last weekend and it was a lot muckier than it is today, but it was super clear. I guess maybe because of the way the sun was hitting it or whatever, but we could see inside and there were some huge fish in here. Shout out to my wife for getting me this kayak right here. Big Father's Day gift. Shout out to all the fathers out there. Shout out to all the wives out there that support their husbands / fathers hobbies and get them kayaks and let them use their vehicles to transport said kayaks. Y'all the real MVPs. And that's facts. Oh my God. A fish just blew up as I was taking it out right here. There's tons of fish breaching water. Since it's not as mucky, man, I think I'm gonna tie on my buzz bait, bro. Oh, shit. First fish on the kayak. Look at that. 3.71. Look at this. Look at that chunky. She looks pre-spawn, man. That's crazy. All right, girl. Be good with your bad self.
Let me see something.
There she goes. Buzzbait. Buzzbait does it again. Might got himself a little something. I caught a little 3.71 pounder. Of course, I didn't get it on the GoPro because it was dead. Oh, I thought you waited already. You were just throwing out a number? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna say 1.3.
1.9.
1.9? Almost 2, bro. That's what's up. Well, let's get back to it. I was right here and I caught it right at the boat. Right at the boat. I'm so mad I didn't get it. This one.
I don't even know if that was a bass or not, but that was big.
What?
Whatever waist right by me.
Oh. That fish that I caught was probably the one that you missed, yo.
No, it was. For you to steal it?
What you want me to do, yo? Just look, just stand back and... Nah, if you don't catch him the first time, guess what? Let a real man do it. And she was chunky, bro. So like, I don't know if she's still, you know, trying to spawn or she's over here. She was on a bed or something. I don't know. They were in different spots, so it couldn't have been the bed. All right, with the wind. There we go. There we go. It's pulling me. It's pulling me. There we go.
All right, that's a different fish.
Yeah, I know. Hell, this thing pulled me way out here, yo. Relax. There we go. Yes. Second fish. Probably like 2-pounder. I'll do my scale right here. I'm not gonna weigh every fish, but 236. 236. Thank you, sir. Right out of the lily pads. That was fun. It was right at that shade line too. I threw it right out in the sun, and then as soon as it came in the shade line, boom, she hit it. He, she, I call them all she. They're all she's to me. Let me try to throw this little fluky dookie around. Oh. On the fluky.
Yo, go ahead. Yo,
Hold that real quick.
you bagging them. Let me let you know.
Thank you, sir. Huh? This was a little dink for sure. I'm not weighing this one. But there's a fish. I know. Yeah. Third fish on a kayak, bro. I'm telling you, they're in here, bro. They are in here. To be honest with you, that was gonna be my last cast with it, and then I was gonna switch back up to the what you call it, to the buzz. And I just so happened to catch something. Got one. Oh, it got off. It got off. Did you see how big one that was?
Yo, that went like this here. Go back after him.
I am, but he was hooked, so he ain't gonna bite again. Man, that sucks. I just lost that one. It didn't feel too heavy, but it was definitely a decent one. I think it was at least a 3-pounder.
He looked pretty good.
Yeah, I thought I was like a 3-pounder at least.
That was a good fish.
But you thought it was bigger?
That was a good fish.
Don't tell me that, bro.
That was good. When he shook his head and got rid of that,
Yeah.
that was a good fish.
First time kayaking, catching new PB. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh. Relax. Might have gone to this tree. Sorry, fish. This is skill right here.
Huh?
This is skill.
Yeah, I like it.
Little dink. Got one. Enjoy that. Not a bad size. Probably like a pound and a half. Okay. catch fish like this. Look at this. Instantly. Oh. Oh. All right. See, look, now you got me tangled. Now you, okay. Definitely a little dink. I don't think that's what made that big boil over there, but I'm gonna let this one go, obviously. See how little bud. Back on the yak. I mean, if I didn't have waders on, I definitely wouldn't have stopped there, because everything was all muddy and like super grassy there and really, really shallow. I feel like I'm lucky I even caught that fish. But hey, get them how you get them. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Get it out, Hermano. Nice.
That was dope.
Nice. Weigh it. Zeroed out in pounds.
Thank you, kind sir.
You're welcome.
$245.
245. Cool. Get him, Mike, get him, Mike, get him. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. They're sucking them down. They're not like jumping out of the water. Ooh, chill.
Ah.